Welcome to Ayurveda Smart Eclasses. CHARAKA SAMHITHA KALPASTHANA. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 2 Jimutaka Kalpa Adhyaya. Pharmaceutical preparation of Jimutaka. Adhado Jimutaka Kalpam Vyakyasyamaha Idiha Smaha Bhagavan Atreyaha. We shall now expound chapter on the pharmaceutics of Jimutaka, bristly, loofah. Thus said Lord Atreya. Synonyms and qualities. Kalpam Jimudagasyemam Phalapushpasrayam Strunu. Listen about the pharmaceutics of Jimudaka relating to its phala, fruit and pushpa, flower. Garagari cha veni cha tadasya devadhadagaha. Garagari, veni and devadhadaga are its synonyms. Jimudagam Tridoshaknam Yadasu Aushada Kalpitam Prayoktavyam Jwara Shwasa Hikkadi Esham Amayeshu Cha. Jimudaka, when administered with appropriate drugs, cure diseases caused by all the three doshaknam. It is useful in fever, jwara, dyspnea, shwasa, hiccup, hikka and similar other disorders. So synonyms of Jimutaka are Gharagari, Veni, Deva Tadaka and Karma are Tridoshaknam, Jwara, Shwasa, Hikkadeshu, Amayeshu. Various preparations. Yadokta Guna Yuktanam, Deshajanam Yadhavidi. Jimutaka, endowed with all attributes, growing in appropriate land, should be collected according to the prescribed procedure as described in earlier chapter Madanaphala Kalpa. Payaha pushpe asya nirvritte phale peya payaskrita. Lomashe kshira santhanam dedi uttaram alomashe. Srude payasi didyamlam jadam harida panduge. Milk should be prepared with its flour, milky gruel with freshly appeared fruits, milk cream with hairy fruits, curd with non-hairy one, and sour curd from milk boiled with pale green fruit. Jeernanam cha sushushkanam Nyastanam bhajane shuchau churnasya payasa. Fully matured fruit is dried, powdered well, and kept in a clean container. Shuktim vata pitta ardidaha pipet. One suffering from ailments caused by vata and pitta should take one shukti of this preparation. Asutya cha sura mande mriditva prasrudam pipet. The fruits of Jimutaka should be macerated in sura manda overnight. Thereafter it is stirred and the juice is strained. Kabaje, Arojage, Kase, Panduroge, Sayakshmani. It can be taken in anorexia, Arojagam due to Kaba, Kaf Kasa, anemia, Panduroga, and Yakshma, wasting diseases. Dve, Chapotya Adhava, Trini Gudujya Madugasya va, Kovidharadikhanam va, Nimbasya Kudajasya va. Kashayeshu eva sudham putva tenaiva vidhina pipet. 2 or 3 fruits of bristly loofah should be squeezed and put into decoction of either guduchi, yeshti, kovidhara, karbudhara, nipa, vidula, bimbi, shanapushpi, sadha pushpi, abha marga, nimba or kudaja and should be kept overnight. It should then be strained and taken as portion in the manner already described in Madanaphala Kalpa. Adhava Aragvadhadinam Saptanam Purvavat Pipet Ekaikasya Kashayena Pitta Sleshma Jwara Ardidaha. Or the powder of Jimudaka may be taken with any one of the decoction of the Aragvadha 7 drugs mentioned in Madanaphala Kalpa, that is Aragvadha, Vrikshaka, Swadukandaga, Pada Padala, Kuncha and Murva. According to the procedure described in the previous chapter by a person suffering from fever of pitta and kaba origin. Jivaka, Rushabhaka, Ikshunam, Shatavari rasena va. Pitta slishma jware dadyat vada pitta jware adhava. In fever due to pitta and kapha or vada and pitta, the powder of Jimutaka should be administered with the juice of one of the four drugs, viz. Jivaka, Rushabhaka, Ikshu or Shatavari. Tadha Jimutaka kshirat samutpannam pachet ghridam faladinam kashayena sreshtam tadvamanam madham. The ghee prepared from the milk boiled with Jimutaka should be cooked with decoction of Madanaphala, etc. It is regarded as an excellent recipe for emesis or vamanam. Summary. Tatra slogau षट् क्षीरे मधिरा मण्डे एगौ द्वादश च आभरे सप्त च आरग्वधादीनां कषाये अष्टौ च वर्तिषु जीवगादिषु चत्वारो घृतम् एकं प्रकीर्तितम् कल्पे जीमूतघानां च योगात्रिंशन्नवाधिकाः. In summary, there are 39 preparations described in the Jimutaka Kalpa. 6 preparation in milk, 1 in Sura Manda, 12 recipe prepared by boiling with decoction of Gudochi, etc. 7 in the decoction of Aragvadha, etc. 8 recipe in the form of pills, 4 preparation in the juice of Jivaka, etc. and 1 recipe of ghee. So, preparation and milk 6 in number, in Sura Manda 1, boiling with decoction of Gudoji etc. 12, decoction of Aragvadha 7, in the form of pills 8, in the juice of Jivaka etc. 4, recipe of ghee 1 and total 39. Thus ends the second chapter of Kalpasthana, dealing with the pharmaceutics of Jimutaka, compiled by Agnivesha, redacted by Charaka, reconstructed by Dridabala as it was unavailable. This is a picture of Jimutaka from the website medicinalplantsindia.com. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart Eclasses. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the references are given below the video. Thank you.